I'm sure you've heard the news. There's no better comfort food than beef lasagna. Let's whip up a delicious batch together. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need lasagna noodles, ground beef, onion, garlic, marinara sauce, ricotta cheese, shredded mozzarella, Parmesan cheese, and some Italian seasoning. Start by cooking the noodles until they're al dente. Pro tip: add a splash of olive oil so they don't stick. Next, brown the ground beef with diced onion and minced garlic. Your kitchen will smell amazing! Once the beef is cooked, mix in the marinara sauce and let it simmer. Now for the fun part, layering. Spread a bit of sauce in your baking dish. Then add a layer of noodles, followed by a layer of the beef mixture, ricotta cheese, and shredded mozzarella. Repeat until you're out of ingredients. Top it all off with more mozzarella and a sprinkle of Parmesan. Bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 25 minutes, or until it's bubbly and golden. Voila! Slice up that lasagna and enjoy your cheesy, beefy masterpiece. Bon appétit!